Hey guys, it's Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina. And if you've noticed lately, when I've been doing videos, you'll usually see this beautiful, colorful butterfly right behind me as I do the videos. And part of that is because we were getting ready for something exciting that we've just got here in Cold Creek. And that is our American Beauty Natives collection of plants. So these are natives, and natives are straight species, and native cultivars, which are cultivars from the straight natives. So natives, as we know, attract pollinators. They establish better in your lawn. They grow better here because they're natives. So let's talk about a few that we have here. I want to invite you to come in and check out this collection. I also want to invite you to go on their website. That's some wonderful information. They have sheets and more sheets on information that's available for what to plant in your garden. And also, they also talk about June, which is pollinator month coming up. So if you have young children, want an activity to do, they have some coloring sheets to download there. So we have a great selection here at Cold Creek now. You'll identify these plants because they are in these green pots. They say American Beauty Native. They have great tags on them that give you additional information about the pollinator and how to plant pollinators. Natives use less water, again, as I had mentioned earlier. So this particular plant is the Thread Leaf Tickseed. We also have a collection of the brown-eyed Susan. We have the New England Aster. And right here, one of my favorites is that prairie coneflower that's come in. So look for these, come check it out. The signage has QR codes. Come scan it with your phone. There's additional information there. Let's get started planting these natives for our pollinators.